Hi. So you purchase a property and pay some advance, and when you wanted to complete the sale transaction by paying the balance sale consideration, the seller doesn't want to sell the property because some sudden price escalation, or he might have got a better offer. He chooses not to sell the property. He forces you to cancel the agreement, or he doesn't come for registration, or he doesn't accept the balance sale consideration. In such circumstances, what are the remedies you have? Now, you should go to court. I'm talking in layman terms. You should go to court and ask the court to force the seller to perform the agreement. So, agreement is a contract which you entered with the seller by paying sale consideration. Now you ask the court to perform the agreement because the seller is not coming forward to perform the agreement. You are asking the court to perform the agreement. So this is called suit for specific performance. Now what is specific performance? I'll come out in a different video. I can't explain in this video. So what happens? So you suffer a trial and you seek a direction from the court against the seller to come and register the property. Imagine he is not coming to court. What is the remedy you have? So many people don't know that court comes and registers the property if the purchaser gets a decree. If suit is dismissed, then the purchaser has to go for appeal. If the purchaser has a decree, or if the purchaser is a decree holder and the seller is the judgment debtor, this is the legal terms, legal language which may be difficult to comprehend. I'll just limit my explanation to seller and purchaser. If the seller is not coming forward, the judge of the court comes forward and registers the property. This is what you should understand. But there are some precautions which I would like to inform you. The precautions are: you should pay the amount in white money through check, the advance sale consideration or the part sale consideration. And if it is mandated by the state law to register the sale agreement, please do register it. Because if the sale agreement is registered, that amount will be reimbursed to you back when you execute a sale deed. Generally, the government doesn't take it off, especially in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This is the procedure that is being adopted. Agreement of sale culminates in execution of a sale deed. Therefore, in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, if 3% or 4%, I can't inform you exactly, but it is somewhere around 3 to 4%. And if you pay 3 to 4%, your agreement to sell or agreement of sale is registered, and this 3 to 4% is discounted while executing the sale deed. So sale deed is around 6 to 7%. So you need to pay the balance 3% for performing the entire contract or completing the contract by performing the sale deed. So if the specific performance can be sought from the court. It's a compulsory performance. You can understand it as a compulsory performance. Generally, the court language, it is called the specific performance, because there is no such property in the world. Money cannot be compensated. In a simple terms, what is specific performance? Is a specific performance of a contract is a contract which forces the violator of the contract to perform it compulsorily, specifically. So based on which suit will be filed. There are many examples of specific performance which I'll come out in another video. So here the point you need to note is pay the advance amount by way of an account pay check, register the agreement if it is mandated by your state law, then stick to the deadlines, keep the cash ready, and if still the owner is not coming forward for registration, if the seller is still not coming forward for the registration, there is nothing to worry. Your right never goes off just like that, because you are in a precarious spot. Judge will come, the court will come and register the property. This is a step that will be undertaken in the process of execution after you earn a decree. Hope I am clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'm Prasad. I'm an advocate practicing most of my time in High Court of Hyderabad. In my free time, I love to create videos like this to bring legal awareness.